Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we have solved Kerala PSC Agricultural Officer Exam Question Paper Part 2. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 51. Variety of chili produced by hybridization. Options A. Ujjwala, B. Jwalamukhi, C. Kiran, D. Mukti. Correct answer B. Jwalamukhi. Question number 52. A variety of cowpea. Options A. Bhagyalakshmi, B. Surya, C. Sweda, D. Srivadra. Correct answer A. Bhagyalakshmi. Question number 53. An individual having dissimilar alleles of gene. Options A. Homogeneous, B. Heterogeneous, C. Hybrid, D. Albino. Correct answer B. Heterogeneous. Question number 54. Progeny of the breeder seed. Options A. Nucleus seed, B. Foundation seed, C. Registered seed, D. Certified seed. Correct answer B. Foundation seed. Question number 55. Class of seed with no tag. Options A. Nucleus seed, B. Breeder seed, C. Foundation seed, D. Certified seed. Correct answer A. Nucleus seed. Question number 56. The first GI geographical indication tag produced in India. Options A. Darjeeling tea, B. Aranmulagarandi, C. Chandari fabric, D. Mysore silk. Correct answer A. Darjeeling tea. Question number 57. Hybrid progeny from a cross between two single crosses. Options A. Three-way cross hybrid, B. Double cross hybrid, C. Double top cross, D. Multiple cross. Correct answer B. Double cross hybrid. Question number 58. Progeny of a single plant obtained by asexual reproduction. Options A. Hybrid, B. Cybrid, C. Inbred, D. Clone. Correct answer D. Clone. Question number 59. Process of bringing wild and weedy species under human management. Options A. Selection, B. Introduction, C. Domestication, D. Hybridization. Correct answer C. Domestication. Question number 60. Oldest method of crop improvement. Options A. Introduction, B. Hybridization, C. Selection, D. Mutation. Correct answer A. Introduction. Question number 61. Food given to honey bee larva which later develops to queen. Options A. Royal jelly, B. Royal actin, C. Queen substance, D. Nectar. Correct answer A. Royal jelly. Question number 62. Mechanism by which the host plant adversely affects the biology of insect and its progeny. Options A. Anticyanosis, B. Tolerance, C. Non-preference, D. Antibiosis. Correct answer D. Antibiosis. Question number 63. Bordeaux mixture was discovered by options A. E.F. Smith, B. Robert Hooke, C. Tisdale, D. Maillardet. Correct answer D. Maillardet. Question number 64. Parasitoid introduced for the management of papaya mealybug. Options A. Trichogramma cailonis, B. Asarophagus papayae, C. Syrtobagus salvinae, D. Gonizus nephratidis. Correct answer B. Asarophagus papayae. Question number 65. A systematic fungicide. Options A. Copper oxychloride, B. Copper hydroxide, C. Carbendazim, D. Mancozeb. Correct answer C. Carbendazim. Question number 66. Vector of cassava mosaic disease. Options A. Whitefly, B. Thrips, C. Plant hoppers, D. Mealybug. Correct answer A. Whitefly. Question number 67. Which among the following is a total stem parasite? Options A. Broomrape, B. Witchweed, C. Loranthus, D. Dodder. Correct answer D. Dodder. Question number 68. Dead heart symptom in rice is caused by the infestation of options A. Rice leaf folder, B. Brown plant hopper, C. Rice bug, D. Rice stem borer. Correct answer D. Rice stem borer. Question number 69. Bolgard is a transgenic cotton which expresses the crustal protein of options A. Bacillus thuringiensis, B. Beauveria bassiana, C. Bacillus popillae, D. Metahizium anisopliae. Correct answer A. Bacillus thuringiensis. Question number 70. Name a fungus used in the biological control of plant diseases. Options A. Aspergillus, B. Rhizopus, C. Trichoderma, D. Pseudomonas. Correct answer C. Trichoderma. Question number 71. Casual organism of the sheath blight of rice. Options A. Sarocladium oryzae, B. Rhizoctonia solani, C. Traxilera oryzae, D. Pyrocularia oryzae. Correct answer B. Rhizoctonia solani. Question number 72. The most important biologically active component of neem. Options A. Rotenone, B. Nicotine, C. Azadirachtin, D. Pyrethrum. Correct answer C. Azadirachtin. Question number 73. Alternate host of Puccinia graminis triticale. Options A. Wheat, B. Barberry, C. Barley, D. Cowpea. Correct answer B. Barberry. Question number 74. Name the viral disease of banana. Options A. Mocco wilt, B. Bunchy top, C. Panama wilt, D. Rhizome rot. Correct answer B. Bunchy top. Question number 75. Buprofezin is an insecticide belonging to the group. Options A. Chitin synthesis inhibitor, B. Chloratization inhibitor, C. Juvenile hormone analog, D. Anti-juvenile hormone analog. Correct answer A. Chitin synthesis inhibitor. Unacademy is conducting Kerala PSC Combat for 10th level prelims exams on 24th of January. Unacademy Combat is the largest fortnightly contest for 10th level prelims. It consists of total 50 questions from the topic Mathematics, Science and Technology and General Knowledge. Detailed explanation will be given for all the questions after the test. Top 3 ranks will be getting 12 months Unacademy Kerala PSC plus subscription. Rank 4 to 100 will be getting 500 rupees of Amazon voucher. So enroll now for free using FootTech360 as a referral code. Link is in the description. Question number 76. Chemical used for communication between individuals of the same species in insects. Options A. Alamone, B. Pheromone, C. Cinnamon, D. Caramone. Correct answer B. Pheromone. Question number 77. Root wilt disease of coconut is caused by options A. Virus, B. Fungus, C. Bacteria, D. Phytoplasma. Correct answer D. Phytoplasma. Question number 78. An example of acute rodenticide. Options A. Zinc phosphide, B. Warfarin, C. Methyl bromide, D. Metaldehyde. Correct answer A. Zinc phosphide. Question number 79. Erinium is the symptom caused by the infestation of options A. Thrips, B. Aphids, C. Mites, D. Mealybugs. Correct answer C. Mites. Question number 80. Crusec symptom in rice is due to options A. Blast, B. Sheath blight, C. Bacterial leaf blight, D. Sheath rot. Correct answer C. Bacterial leaf blight. Question number 81. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is located at options A. Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Pune, D. Lucknow. Correct answer D. Lucknow. Question number 82. Who wrote the book Elements of Agricultural Chemistry? Options A. John Bennett, B. Sir Humphrey Davy, C. Charles Darwin, D. Jethro Tull. Correct answer B. Sir Humphrey Davy. Question number 83. NATP was started in the year options A. 1990, B. 1998, C. 1995, D. 1993. Correct answer B. 1998. Question number 84. Food grain production in India in 2013 to 14. Options A. 265.6, B. 245, C. 256.7, D. 205. Correct answer A. 265.6. Question number 85. Rudimentary system of settled farming which includes cultivation, gathering and hunting is called options A. Subsistence farming, B. Intensive agriculture, C. Subsidiary farming, D. Mixed farming. Correct answer C. Subsidiary farming. Question number 86. Soil moisture status reaches ultimate wilting point at dash. Options A. minus 15 bars, B. minus 13 bars, C. minus 45 bars, D. minus 60 bars. Correct answer D. minus 60 bars. Question number 87. The most common method among the surface methods of irrigation which is suitable for close growing crops is options A. Flooding, B. Basing method, C. Border strip method, D. Check basin method. Correct answer D. Check basin method. Question number 88. Which of the following crops have highest WUE? Options A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Sorghum, D. Cowpea. Correct answer B. Wheat. Question number 89. Susceptibility of soil to erosion is called dash. Options A. Erosivity, B. Addition, C. Erodibility, D. Cohesion. Correct answer C. Erodibility. Question number 90. Among the land capability classes, which one has no limitation for growing crops? Options A. Class 8, B. Class 1, C. Class 5, D. Class 2. Correct answer B. Class 1. Question number 91. Dash are manifestations of prolonged process of gully erosion. Options A. Ravines, B. Landslides, C. Sheet erosion, D. Rill erosion. Correct answer A. Ravines. Question number 92. Dash percentage of India's geographical area is subjected to degradation. Options A. 53, B. 64, C. 78, D. 86. Correct answer A. 53%. Question number 93. First stage of movement of soil particles in wind erosion. Options A. Surface creep, B. Saltation, C. Suspension, D. Sheet erosion. Correct answer B. Saltation. Question number 94. Spacing of hybrid Napier as a pure crop in Kerala is dash. Options A. 60 into 30 cm, B. 50 into 50 cm, C. 60 into 60 cm, D. 60 into 50 cm. Correct answer C. 60 into 60 cm. Question number 95. Growing two or more crops simultaneously in intermingled without any row pattern is dash. Options A. Intercropping, B. Sequence cropping, C. Relay cropping, D. Mixed cropping. Correct answer D. Mixed cropping. Question number 96. Sum of area planted to different crops and harvested in a single year divided by total cultivated area expressed as percentage is dash. Options A. Cropping intensity index, B. Relative yield total, C. Land equivalent ratio, D. Multiple cropping index. Correct answer D. Multiple cropping index. Question number 97. Johnson grass is dash. Options A. Sorghum halpens, B. Chenopodium album, C. Acornia crassips, D. Cynodon dactylon. Correct answer A. Sorghum halpens. Question number 98. Ratio of evapotranspiration of crop to potential evapotranspiration is options A. Plant coefficient, B. IW or CPE ratio, C. Pan coefficient, D. Crop coefficient. Correct answer D. Crop coefficient. Question number 99. 1 cubic meter of water is dash. Options A. 100 liter, B. 1000 liter, C. 10,000 liter, D. 5,000 liter. Correct answer B. 1000 liter. Question number 100. Normal irrigation water has boron content of dash ppm. Options A. Less than 2, B. Less than 5, C. Less than 3, D. Less than 10. Correct answer C. Less than 3. These are the newly launched courses in Unacademy Plus. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.